Today we are going to learn how to use the Points of Law tool on Bloomberg Law. By the end of this training, you will know how this tool offers a more efficient and effective way to conduct case law research. Points of Law is one of our innovative tools on Bloomberg Law. Through the application of machine learning integrated within our collection of court opinions, Points of Law highlights language critical to a court's reasoning, allowing you to quickly find the best language to support your legal arguments. You can access Points of Law in one of two ways: by searching for a specific point of law from a Points of Law search or from within the case. Let's begin by searching for a specific point of law through a search. You can locate our Points of Law search through our Litigation Intelligence Center within the Browse menu, or by typing in Points of Law in the global search bar and selecting it from the auto suggestions in the dropdown. On this search form, you can use the keywords to type in a legal principle you want to search for. For example, dismiss a complaint. You can also select by a particular jurisdiction to tailor your search further by typing it in the courts field, or click Browse Full List to view a complete list of courts. Click Search. The search will populate potentially relevant points of law that include your keywords. For this example, the first result highlights the legal principle discussing how to survive a motion to dismiss. Each result also includes the total number of court opinions that develop that point of law, as well as a breakdown of those opinions by jurisdiction, circuits, states, and specific courts. You can also choose to sort these results by those points of law most cited, or keep your search sorted by relevance. Let's select the first search example by clicking on the blue hyperlinked text. This will then populate the legal principle at the top of the page with the court opinions that developed it below. For this example, you will see the ever-popular Iqbal case as the first result. The filters on the left-hand side allow you to narrow your results further. So if, for example, you are looking for legal precedent related to this legal principle within New York, because that is where you are litigating your claim, you can easily filter those results. The Citation Map provides a visualization showing the relationship between the court opinions that develop the point of law over time. By clicking on the Citation Map button, you can see this visualization. The arrows represent the citation relationships between those cases. The color of the circle indicates the jurisdiction of the court from which the case originates. The number represents the search result in the current set. The size of the circle indicates how often the case is cited by other cases for this point of law. The timeline at the bottom indicates when the decision was issued. You can click a circle for more information on that court opinion, including an extract of the text that developed the point of law. And you can click the hyperlinked case title to be taken directly to the text of that opinion. For more details on the information listed in the citation map, you can click the legend. Back on your search results, you can also click on Related Points of Law to see similar statements of the law that could be useful to your case law research. The original point of law you are viewing will be at the top, and below will be a list of other points that courts have expressed when stating your point. They may reiterate your point in a different way or include another related issue. Select a new point from the list by clicking on its hyperlinked text to start a search of cases with that point of law. Using related points of law ensures you have a complete picture of all possible legal issues that you may need to review or want to include into your legal argument. You can also access points of law from within a case. Let's click on the Iqbal case to see all legal principles our Points of Law tool identifies in that decision. Once in the opinion, click on Points of Law on the right rail to view related functionality, including the ability to toggle it on or off. Click Next to cycle through the points. All points of law within a case will be highlighted in blue in the document. You can also view the points of law in a list view by clicking View Full List. The points of law will now be listed in the order in which they appear in the text of the opinion, but you also can select Order by Most Cited to see the points of law that have been cited the most by other court opinions. The legal principle will be in bold, and surrounding text of the opinion will also be included in the extract to provide more context. You can view the point of law in the text of the opinion by clicking View in Document. You can also click Explore to view the point of law in more detail, including the other court opinions that developed it. You should now have a good understanding of how the integration of points of law within Bloomberg Law's Court Opinions database will make your legal research much more efficient. giving you more time to draft your legal arguments. Thank you for participating in our training today.